stock is going to do for the long term. It's just I want to recognize the time that that stock moves. Give me a high probability time frame that's going to make that move, and I can take advantage of that and trade, and then get the hell out. That's the goal. And over years of trading, it's really developed a great methodology that outlines these positions. But the key is to be great. And again, I mentioned this in the last video. The real key is to what separates successful traders consistently and just random traders that are eventually going to blow out. You're taking 3 steps forward and you're taking 5 steps back. You want to take 5 steps forward and 2 steps back. Maybe. I prefer 1 step. Maybe. But the big key is understanding that you have to only trade the best setups. There is a few best setups in this market. That's going to keep you alive. It's going to keep you well. The market's going to make you money. It's going to make your dreams come true. But that's not it's the hardest thing in the world to do. Because I can tell you that. And lots of people told me, well, I don't know how many people told me. It's over time, over years of trading, I've realized, no sure thing. That's for sure. And, there's always a chance the market's going to catch you. But also over the years, I recognize certain patterns that play out a very high percentage of the time. One of them is the divergence pattern. That's what basically I teach. And the last couple of days, we've been watching this market get back into futures using divergences. And we've had some great trades. And I want to just identify those to you. Kind of, press the point that important that you have to just take these setups. I'm going to be very extreme in saying this. There's no time for experimentation or market or guessing. Deal with real money. You just deal with a certain amount of setups in the high probability methodology. There's a precise criteria for an entry, an exact criteria for an exit. That is your business plan. Your business is to make money in the market. My business is to come in each day, find these setups, trade them, and get out. The easy part is to spot them. I teach that it's easy enough to spot them. The hard part is making people understand that every entry is not going to give you what you plan on getting. A lot of people have brackets in. Some people are looking for a point, 2 points, just general terms, whole numbers. Whatever. And the market tends to give you, especially if you use stochastics, if you're going to go over use that, you'll see that, the short-term time frame, you have a nice wavy action, up, down, up, down, up, down. Lots of times you just track the stochastics, up, down, up, down, up, down. So why would you expect anything different if that's what's happening? So if you could recognize where that up is going to come, there's a better chance of a further up. That's half the battle you get in. And if you get a nice move off of it, you get overbought, you have to recognize that the chances are now that we're going to actually pull back. You might pull back more, might not less, but the high probability zone is past you. The divergence setup is past you. That's the important thing. You have to learn divergences. Divergences are very important. They're key. I stress them so much that, again, let's take a look at how they set up. I want to actually show you a little bit about divergences, and I'll show you the ones that set up today. And that's basically it. I do this every single day. We try to get into both stocks, options, and futures and divergences. With the patience, that's required sometimes. Sometimes, markets have to give you the setup you're looking for. And that's where markets can come up and grab you because you don't have that zone. Each key has a zone. So where you have that signal, you have a better chance of getting a move and then you're in it. If you're not in that zone, you're outside that zone, you're just messing around with the market. You might be getting good trades, this is the best thing for the crop. The next rotation here is just basic stochastics, where we deal with stochastics and price. Stochastics are, I'm going to go into the whole indicator and break the stochastics down. I have a lot of education on that, just day trading radio. If you remember day trading radio, it's even better because I have forums of videos talking about these setups. Or you can go to YouTube and just do day trading rockstar. About 3 videos. A lot of information out there. So just help yourself to that. But basically, we'll be mentioning the stochastic oscillator indicator. remember what we're talking about. As the price moves higher, or stochastic moves higher, that means that momentum is moving higher, moving higher, moving higher. It's actually measuring the close on the candlestick. Now for it, closing up towards the top, and then it starts closing down. So we're starting to follow that momentum on the previous candles. This is what's tracking. You get to an overbought level, and then the market starts to rotate back down. You start to close lower until you're oversold, and it starts to rotate back up. Very simple. Now, how do we use the stochastics? We use the stochastics as, I'll show you, as a derivative.
Peace. Hey guys, how's it going? I'm in the chat right now. Let me know if you can hear my face. We should be good. Or if you can hear my voice. What's going on, everybody? Double bottom coming. No. This thing is going down for a while. What the hell? Chart so low. Oh, it's not plugged in. That's probably why. Hold on one second. There we go. Much better. Much better. Beautiful. Infestinator is actually one of the best mics you can get. So don't be a hater. Thanks. Retro Soul. Alright, good. We'll go ahead and get this thing started. Should be a nice, clean little episode. I'm just going to run through the top four. The four horsemen. Oh, yeah. Oh, man. Well, that's not good. That's not good at all. Why the hell do they always want my ID? Ah, boy, oh boy, oh boy. I swear, the boys in blue never cease to amaze me. What the hell is this? Intro contest to some BTC. How do we do that? That's funny. I can't really increase the video quality because then it'll lag. So it doesn't really work. You can't have your cake and eat it too, apparently, on Google. So I have to decrease the video quality so the live stream doesn't lag. Otherwise, it's all choppy. When I clap my hands, you hear it like 8 seconds later, and this doesn't work. So, sorry. Get mad at Google, not at me. Tiger W, how was I wrong again? What was I wrong on? Oh yeah, if you saw that screen earlier. What the hell? Facebook blocked me out. That's cool. So I'm trying to get into my regular account. Don't remember what email I used. What the hell is it with all these security checks? I thought Facebook was just fucking Facebook. When did it become a goddamn TSA screen? Like, it doesn't make any sense. It really doesn't. Anybody else remember when Facebook was just Facebook? Not a motherfucking front for the CIA? What? This make me get upset. Like, this don't make no sense. Scan your ID, send us your tax return, send us a vial of blood so we can perform our rituals with it. No, I'm not doing any of that. Fund the next global disaster by donating money? No, I'm not doing any of that. Well, let me see. We're creating spam accounts. No. No, no, no. No, no, no. Don't let them lie to you. They have the best security infrastructure teams in the world. They can figure out how to block out egg box accounts, just like Twitter did. Twitter doesn't need your ID. So don't let them lie to you, and don't you start believing it. No other platform in the world needs your ID to confirm real accounts. And if they let spammer accounts even get into their portal, that is a system of design. They know how to close those walls off. Just like you can't go spam a bank account. can't create spam transactions against the Swift network. Why? Because it's closed off. They know how to close the doors and open them. Don't let them lie to you. Think for yourself. So maybe today's show will just be BK trying to figure out how to get back into his Facebook account. This live stream is about the charts, but I need to get into my Facebook account in order to access a lot of stuff for our call, which I'm not able to do right now. And of course, they have to ping my IP address, so I guess I'll let them do that. So yeah, right now it's about me trying to get into Facebook. So I can stop the stream if you want, or we could just talk on this chat. It's up to you. I'm trying to think what damn. Like, nothing is open right now either. I'm using Mozilla. Alright. Guess I can make this one work for now. It's just frustrating. Like, when did Facebook become a backdoor fucking shill for the CI alphabet boys? When did that happen? Who signed off on that? When did they need my driver's license, my social security number, my primary residence, my phone number? When did they need that? When? When did that happen? What terms of service was that, updated in? It just doesn't make any sense anymore. Alright. Boy, oh boy, oh boy. But like I said, this is what's happening. I make a BK Bitcoin Facebook page, and for promotion of this group, this YouTube channel. But because I make it as a personal account, you know, this little icon guy up here, I make a separate alias account. They don't allow that. They want me to make a page, right? They want me to go to Facebook pages and make a BK Crypto Trader page, so that, see right there, right? You want to know why? Because once I do that, they start charging me money per post to reach the audience. And I'm not doing that. I told them I'll make 10,000 fake Gmail accounts for BK Crypto Trader before I ever pay you $1 in advertising. Ever. And then I will actually pay other people to do it for me, just to ensure that when you shut one down, I have another one right back up within an hour. Here we go. All right, we're gonna get started here. I'm not gonna do the countdown. You guys waited long enough. I apologize for this. If you can see my struggle, hit that like button. I would greatly appreciate it. Before you know it, they gonna say, "Oh, who's this Brandon Kelly guy? We need him to scan his driver's license, send us his birth certificate, tell us where he lives, log in from all your cellular phones so we can ping and triangulate your identity through the IP address, backlink it in the blockchain, figure out what Bitcoin you bought, timestamp it, and calculate how much you owe us in taxes, all in one click." No, not gonna happen. Let's get started. Oh boy. We're doing a Bitcoin Cash. All right, we're doing Bitcoin Cash, Bitcoin, ETH, and BTC, the four horsemen. Where's that thing at? That's cool. That's cool. I don't even remember this damn login. That's cool. And we need one more. That's cool. Good. Sorry for the wait, you guys. This is decent. $49, that's good. Yeah, I'm gonna go grab some water real quick. And as soon as I come back, well, actually, let me start this intro. Let's do our question of the day. Let's get this set up right. There you go. There you go, kid. Telling you, man, boys in blue. They don't know. They don't know. Not me. Not me. I ain't the one. Here we go. Good. Yeah, do not, hey, put it this way. Put it this way. I gotta start being creative. Because you know, no, not that. That's important. You know they got like a machine that records my voice, sends it into some mega computer, monitors the stress level in my voice. That's why I always talk slow and I always talk calm. Even when I'm really, really upset, I talk slow. And I'm very succinct and methodical with the words that I choose. So sometimes you have to actually listen to what I say more so than how I'm saying it. You know, because up here is running like 10,000 words a minute. So anything I pick out and deliver to you guys is on purpose, right? Especially when it comes to ICO reviews. Bills still got to get paid. So yeah, let's do this. Oh, I know what I could do. Haha. No, I won't do that. I'm not gonna do that. I'm not, because somebody could screenshot it and get me in trouble. I was gonna write something down and hold it up, but I won't do that. That's not a good look for the future. All right. Facebook, we're good with this. #1 Bitcoin group. Let me share this video, do our intro, and we're good. Thank you for your patience. I appreciate it. I don't like taking this long. If you've been here the whole time, I said this is gonna be a nice quick video. Bam! All of a sudden, blocked. We need to confirm your identity for your own protection. Don't let them lie to you. Be one with the charts, right, Lewis? Right. I'm trying to woos out right now. They gonna make me. See, that's my way of like just woos out. You just gotta breathe it. Inhale, exhale. All right, what is this? My gold USB. I might have to look that up. Do you use that, Head Magister? Head Magister, do me a favor. Send me an email or hit me up on Facebook. Because I need to figure out something, because I really don't like, I need to like disappear off the grid and just show up like Snowden. Whenever he wants to show up, that's when I show up. But I just happen to show up twice a day for about 30 minutes on a live stream. That would be perfect. If we could figure out how to do that, that would be perfect. I have a VPN. That's the problem, you guys. I have a very, very good VPN. And so, like, when I log in from different parts of the country, you know, every other day, they're like, red flag, get them out of here. Like, they're doing this. They're doing this on Bittrex right now. But on top of it with Bittrex, they're pinging your Gmail account. Most of us have Gmail. Google, default email address is Gmail. But say you have like Brave or something like that. They're pinging it enough to where on their side of the server, they can more or less identify you digitally by the variants, you know, and whatever metrics you log in from. They're putting together a digital fingerprint behind the scenes of everybody. Let me shut this down for a second. Just make sure you're aware of it, because some people just think like every event, train go off the rails today. Guess what city it's associated with? Same city that's done absolutely nothing for the better part of 400 years, yet has more money than any other industrialized entity known to man. This is a system of design. Just remember that. It's ridiculous. Paper wallets. I need to start making them. Can you do paper wallets for altcoins? Like, Can you do a paper wallet for Ripple? How come Ripple doesn't work with my ledger? Does anybody have Ripple on a ledger right now? I travel for both, but wherever I travel, I always do some type of work. That way, when I write off $100,000 on my taxes as business-related expenses, that's why. Because I'm working 365 days a year, so every meal I eat, every day I go to sleep is a tax-deductible event because it's on behalf of my business. Apologize that this was not the purpose of this call. Hopefully some of this insight is logical to you guys. Yeah, Benjamin, if you can, hit me up on Facebook, send me an email. I just scroll up a little bit. I just put my email in the thing. You have to buy Ripple Ledger? No, it's a Ripple wallet for Ledger, but it doesn't work. Yes, I do hold Ripple. You know why? Because I've personally seen the wallets where the banks have $40, $50 million just sitting there in Ripple. The blockchain is completely visible, and I've seen those accounts. So yes, I own Ripple, because once that money moves is when I'll sell my Ripple. I swim with the big fish. I might not be one yet, but damn it, I'm swimming with them. I haven't gotten the Ripple app to work on Ledger. So if anybody has, let me know. Comment on this video. I'm going to leave this part up. If you've gotten the Ripple app to work on Ledger, comment on this video, because Ripple is by far one of the most important cryptos to look at right now. If Ripple drops below 17 cents, kiss the market goodbye for the next 6 months. Because Ripple, Bitcoin, and Ethereum, if all three of those drop, that's it. That's it. Bitcoin Cash can't save it. Not yet. So let's get started. Apologize about this. Bam. Good on that. Bam. Bam. Thank you for your patience, guys. I sincerely do appreciate it. Be back in 2.5 minutes. Live from the USA, helping you get paid every day. This is the boss, and I got the #1 website on the market for you to cash in and cash out in cash money for Bitcoin. It's called BitQuick.co. There's a link in the description, and it's in the #1 comment on this video. You go to their website, you're going to see this right here. You click on buy, and you tell them how much money you want to spend, and it will automatically convert that amount into Bitcoin. Once you have that amount ready, you let them know how you want to pay for it. You can either do a cash deposit or money transfer. I do cash deposits through a major bank right here in the USA. You pick what bank you want. Personally, I use Bank of America because they have so many locations, and it's quite convenient to my house. The big thing to note here is you only have 3 hours to get that cash money into the bank account that they send you. They're going to send you someone else's bank account at Bank of America, who's a member of Bank of America, and you will put your information into the system so that once you deposit the money into their account, they send you the Bitcoin. So this is how it works. You put your state, your email address. They will verify any phone number you give them with a simple 6-digit text message, and you also put your Bitcoin address. Notice that there is a 2% fee. This morning when I sent $500, they charged me $10 to send it, but that's not bad at all in crypto land. So you click on next right there after it's confirmed, and they'll send you an email. And notice this is cash only, you guys. Don't go online and try to transfer it into the person's account, because it won't work. You need to go into a bank with cash money. In the email that they send you, they'll put a 12-digit account number. They'll put that holder's state. That's all you need. And they will also confirm your Bitcoin address where the money will be sent. Biggest thing to note here is that you will need to receive the upload link and send them the receipt of the transfer. This is what it looks like. When you go to Bank of America, you fill in, copy and paste the information from that email, verify the account number, and all you do is you take a picture of the deposit receipt. after you send it. You type in that little no refunds for BitQuick on Bitcoin, boom, upload it into that email right there using that link. And congratulations, baby. You are now a part of the money team. This is the boss. Another breakthrough website for you guys. I hope it helps, and I hope you will be profitable and prosperous in the market. Let's go.
Like a boss.
Live from the USA, helping you get paid every day. This is the boss of Bitcoin, the Cristo of crypto. It's your boy BK. And if you don't like me, you must not like money. Today is September 15th. Another day in the market. Another week has passed us by. A lot of people lost a lot of money, and a lot of people don't know how to handle it. So allow me to be your voice of reason. If this is your first time tuning in, congratulations, baby. You are now rocking with the best. My name is BK. My friends know me as a crypto trader, and I am the boss of these charts, as you will soon find out. Every day I'm fortunate enough to grace this microphone with my voice. Is another day somebody else is fortunate enough to profit as a result. And today is no exception. So what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to open our chat up. If you are live on the air right now, you have a chance to win some cash money. This is how we doing it. We go jump over into our chat and our Facebook community. And all I'm going to do is I'm going to say we got 4 horsemen, you guys. We got Bitcoin, we got Ethereum, we got Bitcoin Cash, and we got Neo. Which one of them horses is going to ride the farthest to have the biggest increase over the next 7 days? What's the best buy on the market right now? What coins should we buy so that this time next week we are in a better position? So do me a favor, if you're in the chat right now, let me know which one you think it is, and I'm going to open it up to our Facebook group as well. So what we'll do is we'll come back in 90 seconds and pick a winner. Let's let these answers flow in for a second. 12:04. Cool. All right, so let's go back. Let's pick one. Chula wanted to get some FaceTime. So let's go ahead and pick our answer. Who do we got? Who do we got? Chula, who do you think? Who do you think? Chula said that's not even an option. Come on, that's not even an option. Who do we got? Who do we got? Who do we got? Bam! Let's go with my man George Aranziba, who said BCH, bank on it. So what we gonna do right now is we go copy and paste your name, and we are going to put it up in our Facebook group. Thank you so much for your contribution to our community. Thank you for being a valued member of, oh, it already tagged you. Look at that. Hopefully that's you. Send me your wallet. I'll send you a couple bucks BTC as a token of my appreciation. Thank you again. And let's get forward to making this money. Again, we are going to tradingview.com. Chula wants to, she wants to hang out right now. So I'm going to have to draw these charts with one hand, but they're not that bad. So again, if you're on TradingView, feel free to follow me. A lot of people do. I post charts every other day. My screen name on there is BDKelly1203. TradingView.com. First chart we're going to look at is BTC. Let's look at the granddaddy of them all. There's no getting around this one. You know, it's going down, and it's going down hard. And it's not a matter of if, but when is it going to hit the bottom. You know, so this is basically the triangle we have with BTC right now. You can see this thing capped out right there. And now that that orange is going full speed downhill, right, we're going to have to do the white ball test, and we're going to have to wait till that orange line balances it out and that white ball can stop. Right now, if we put a white ball on top of that orange line, it would keep going. What does that mean? That means this trend is not yet over. So in 30 seconds, that's your Bitcoin analysis. Expect to have a chance at hitting the bottom at 2,500. Until we get there, all you're doing is speculating on playing the dips. But what's going to happen right now? Look, watch what's happening right now. This thing is bouncing right now. All the idiots are buying Bitcoin at 3,200, not realizing that this thing is about to crash through the ground inside of, what is this? A week. Actually, inside of 5 days, this thing is about to be on another downtrend, because what's going to happen, that green line is going to start to move sideways right there. That white line is going to level out as well. Let's do this so you can see it. That green line is going to do something like that. That white line is going to do something like that. But what do we have coming behind it? That orange line is going to crash the party, right? And as a result, everything is going to break down. So the minute that orange line crosses that white, again, it should be somewhere between the 17th and the 21st. Mark your calendar. Bitcoin's going down to 2,500. Just get ready for it. Don't buy it now, only unless you plan on selling it as a part of a swing trade. But even then, you're just gambling. I don't gamble. Next up, Ethereum. Let's check out Ethereum to Bitcoin. Again, you guys, remember, when Bitcoin is going crazy, it really doesn't make any sense to look at the altcoins to the US dollar, because you don't have any strong correlation. But with every trade, you want to set up incremental improvement versus Bitcoin. This is how you profit long term, because once Bitcoin recovers, you've probably made 2 or 3 times the amount of Bitcoin you would have just swing trading the dollar, right? Because it takes a lot more dollars to buy Bitcoin, you know, every month it's on the market, generally speaking. But what do we see with ETH? Well, when we look at this chart, again, this is a 343-minute candle. On TradingView, we can see that it looks like we've hit the ground for a while. We were in that money zone for a while, and we just broke out of it. But because we have this floor right here, we have not broken down yet. It's interesting with Ethereum, right? This is a hard call right here. If we break past that floor, if that green line gets lower then 0.066, sell it, right? Then it's broken. We have a chance to recover here. This might just be another kick out like the market did at these two places. This is what Pivx and Dash both did for about a month before they actually broke out. So we still have a solid chance to get back up into that money zone. As long as we're inside of this money zone, you know, we're okay, right? And if we actually go to this side of the market, you can see that this was really like the area that it bounced at, right? So all we're doing is just confirming, testing, and confirming that area as key support. But it looks like that orange line is coming down pretty hard over the top of us now. So this might be a sell. If Ethereum falls, then the market is in trouble because a lot of coins are based off of Ethereum. And that's not a good sign. So there you go with that. Let's jump over to NEO, to Bitcoin. No, Tula, come here. Stay. She likes to play with her giraffe, and it squeaks. So that's not acceptable right now. Here we go, NEO. If you haven't seen this chart, this is a chart I made on the day that I sold all my NEO. As you can see, it was a good decision against the trolls. If you listen to broke people, probably gonna end up broke. A lot of people trade with their emotions, not with their brains. I trade with my brain and my eyes. You understand? I see the patterns in charts. And I saw this big blue line right here. And I said, that blue line is gonna hold. When NEO hits that line, it broke down. When NEO, at best, it would have hit that line again, it would have broke down. It didn't even do it, but it's doing it right now. And if you're in our Facebook group, hopefully you saw my post earlier today, right before my account got blocked from the boys in blue. But that's okay. I'll be back with 3 more tomorrow. Come right back. Don't even worry about it. So let's see. I posted one right this morning. They might have took it down because it was on the other account. Essentially what I said, if you're in our Facebook group, you would have seen the post. It said NEO will bounce over the next 2 days, essentially because that's already built into the chart. But that doesn't mean it's broken out. All it is essentially a bounce up, so it can continue to go even lower. That post is gone now, but I literally typed that in this morning because I saw this thing setting up like this. So what we have here is that candle is filling, sorry. You can expect a bounce in NEO. So essentially that blue line is going to give a little bit, but that's only going to leave more momentum for NEO to fall right inside that blue zone. NEO is not a buy yet. That's what I said on the Facebook post. Do not buy NEO. I'm not buying NEO until it breaks this line. Again, if we do the white ball test, we are looking for NEO to reverse. We have no sign of a reversal. If anything, we just have sign of a confirmation at this yellow line when our 77 broke down and kept on screaming through the 231. It just hasn't shown up in these candles yet. Remember what I said, all it's doing now is that green, just what's happening, what's about to happen on that first chart on Bitcoin. Only thing that's happening in NEO now is that green is moving sideways, so the orange can come down and crash the party. And once the orange come down, once granddaddy come back home and you ain't clean that kitchen yet, oh, you outside playing, that kitchen is dirty, that's not gonna be a good situation. So that's what's happening with NEO right now. It's just, you know, it's chilling, taking a little break, thinking everything cool. Got his friends over playing video games. That's what it is. He playing video games in the living room. You know what I'm saying? Playing Madden on the sticks. Dad out. About to come home. About to be bad. Kitchen ain't clean. NEO's going down. Getting put on punishment for about the next 30 days. So there you go. That's your opportunity. If you want to buy it, by all means, feed into that green candle because it's a big wave coming behind you that's going to knock it out. It's in the charts. Last one on deck, Bitcoin Cash. BCH to the Bitcoin. And now with Bitcoin Cash, yeah, we'll compare it to Bitcoin. Bitcoin's still the sun. So let's look at this one. Boy, that has a strong parity with Bitcoin, doesn't it? That's crazy. This basically is replicating Bitcoin's chart. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. So this is broken too then. This is not a buy anymore. I'm going to sell this one tonight. This thing broke right there. Yeah, this definitely is not a buy. It was underwater right there. Actually, technically it broke right there. But just had a little bit of a bounce because the orange hadn't decided to break down yet. So that green in return, like, took that as another last chance to go outside. But now that orange, and see, it just happened today. Check this out. Yeah, see that? That orange line just broke down today. Had a nice little bounce right there, which is that bounce right there, right? So that green right there caused that orange right there. But that's about to be over. That orange is about to go crashing down. And Bitcoin Cash, I'll do another evaluation on it where we want to buy it at, but you should get ready to buy some Bitcoin Cash about a month from now. That's going to be a good pickup. Wow. So, what's the best buy right now? None of them. Don't buy any of them. If you have Bitcoin Cash as a sell, most definitely. Bitcoin, especially with this bounce today, if you even are on the fence, you better sell it today. Because in 48 hours, that money's going to be out of there. So Bitcoin and Bitcoin Cash as a sell. Neo, if you've waited this long on Neo, you should sell it today too, because you got a bounce. You got a fresh wave of money. You see, all these coins are setting up on this dead cat bounce here. All they're doing is they're bringing a little bit of money back into the table so it can continue to break down. This is not a buy signal. This is broken. That money right there is broken. One candle is not going to fix that. One green day on the charts is not going to fix that. So this is actually your last chance to get out before you lose another 20% over the next 2 weeks. Maybe even more, maybe 40%, maybe 60%. Bitcoin has the fundamentals to go down to $1,500. Between $1,500 and $1,700. It can do that. Still. Don't let the people say, oh, it's just going to 3,000 and it's going to go back up. Those are the people that's dumping this money on top of the market. Look at this. Look at that chart. Like, look at that candle. This is not one person. This is not one whale. This is an institutionalized, coordinated attack on a free market to take away the value, take away the money, scare the people, and buy it back 3 months later at a third of its price. Slowly, over time, keep more and more and more. We don't have to play that game, you guys. You know what I'm saying? We should have got out back here. We don't have to play that game, right? Every day your money is in the market is another day that your money is exposed to the risk of the market. That's risk, right? Follow the boss method. What the boss method say? Sell right there. Bam, we're out. Who cares about this little bounce right here? We're out. You know what I'm saying? That's why I sold Neo a week ago. Because I'm saying if I'm teaching tens of thousands of people to do this, I need to be doing it. That's why I sold Neo. Saved me a lot of money too. Right there. 20% in my pocket. Thank you, boss. You can just type that in the comments. People that actually do it, type it in the comments. Thank you, boss. You know what I'm saying? I retweet it, steam it, put that on a billboard somewhere. But just be patient, guys. We don't have to play their game. This is their game, right? And by their, I mean institutionalized, billion-dollar, multi-conglomerate municipalities at this point. Apple got enough money to buy Germany, right? Anybody actually read their 10K, read their, annual report? Read it. Read how much money they make a year, cash money. Read their assets. Look up their balance sheet. They got enough money to buy Germany. You understand? You know why? Because governments are broke. And this is what they do. This is how they accumulate real assets over time. They buy it right there. The rest of the market gets so excited that this is finally moving. Probably about 3 times as excited as they should be. To where they just push this thing through the roof. And then it falls. Right? And the exact same thing is going to happen again. They're going to wait. Buy it back. On the ground floor. And the same thing is going to happen again. But we don't have to play that game. This method teaches you don't play that game. It doesn't let you play that game. It'll be a day and time where I'll have software that's, changing the world. You just hit a button, and it does it for you. Today's not that day. I'm teaching you the bare bones of the algorithm. Right now, you type how to chart like a boss in Google. It'll bring you to this website. But 20 years ago, Google was building a framework for that capability. That's what this is right now. That's why it's so clunky. That's why it's a little slow. That's why it's a little confusing at times. Trust me, the day is coming when it won't be. And the entire world will be able to profit as a result. That day is not yet today. But it still works. The fundamentals is still the same. When Google wrote their patent, how long was the patent for the Google algorithm? 1 page. Boss method. Green over orange. Sell. Sorry, green under orange, sell. Green over orange, buy. Doesn't have to be complicated. But just understand that the fundamentals and the mechanics of markets so that you don't fall for the same traps that everyone else is falling for. Look at a 3-day chart. All you see, that wick right there, that doesn't mean it's gone. Same thing about those wicks right there. It doesn't mean it's gone. If anything, it means it's just going to get filled in the future. Same thing happened right there. Doesn't mean it's gone. Just mean it's getting filled in the future. So there you go, guys. I tried to speak a few words of wisdom. I tried to incorporate what I learned getting my MBA. Top 20 business school, #1 undergrad in the world, last 7 years. Same resources, same faculty, same facilities. In fact, we actually get more than they do. So I try to incorporate that in a way you guys can understand it, use it day to day, and make money. If you're in the chat right now, do me a favor, shout your country out. I'm coming to you in 90 seconds. With that being said, you guys, you've already seen the Facebook community. Please join us. No, stop. Come on, come here. Hold on. Please join us in the Facebook group. Doors are always open. I am going to open this chat up. If you're in the chat, shout your country out. Let the people know where you're from. And we're going to jump over to our website, bossofbitcoin.com. This is something I worked on a little bit behind the scenes just to put together a few products for you guys. You go into the website, you see that man on the right-hand side, G'd up from the feet up, got the 216 on his back. Said it's time to bring the Midwest to the middle of the map, right? You click on shop, right? You go see the profit package right there. This is a game changer list right here, to be honest, guys. I had a lot of people get it, not one complaint. If you look at it, you understand it, you know how to make money. These 10 coins will help you make money. 3 of those coins since August 15th, up about 300–400%. Number 5 is getting ready. Number 7, inside of a few months should be turned around. It's completely independent of Bitcoin. That's why I like it right now. Number 10 is probably the best deal in the entire market. Number 10, I assure you, is the buy of a lifetime. One of them in this market right now. Right? So you got that $25, and that will be sent to your email account via download link. Right? We got the Dream Team. Right? This is a list of the next generation. Right? So when Michael Jordan, you know, was on the shoe of the Nike, this was LeBron James in high school. Right? You know, just getting ready, hiding in the shadows. You know, it started with $1 and a dream. So this list, you can literally buy every coin on this list for $1 or $2. So if you got $1 and you got a dream, you got one of them coins, and you can see it manifest right in front of your very eyes. Last thing we got is one-on-one, right? I actually got a meeting here in about 20 minutes. So one-on-one meeting deposit, $25 to set it up. The rest of the information is in the description. And actually, this will open up a calendar for you to where you have access to my calendar. Say you wanted to do Monday afternoon after the kids, you know, went to their tutoring class. Bam! Click that button, 6:30 p.m. and then me and you are face to face, ready to set you up to be profitable in the markets, right? So with that being said, I'm going to open it up to our chat to see who we got live on the air with the boss right now. So let's see. We got Australia is big in the building. Crypto Skippy, what's going on? I like that name, Crypto Skippy. Transylvania, France, Portugal, NorCal, Australia, Japan, Colorado, Boulder, Colorado, banker-owned USA. I'm glad I'm not living there. Latvia, Tampa, NZ, Brazil going on. Midwest in the building. South Africa, Ireland, down under. Aussies are big tonight. Slovenia, Toledo, Ohio, OH10, Ohio players. Belgium, Germany is in the building. Japan, Mongolia, Sacktown, they boss walking on the West Coast. Australia, Estonia, Bolivia, and one more, Maryland, AZ, India. As you can see, guys, it's pretty cool, right? This is our little mascot. This is our crypto canine right here, Chula. Chula Sophia, at Chula Sophia on Instagram. With that being said, it's that time of the day. This is the boss signing off, no matter where you stay, from Brazil to the Bay and California. Good night, good morning, and good day. I appreciate your time. Just hit that subscribe button, copy and paste this video to somebody you care about. Do that for me. Each one, reach one, teach one. Do that for me if you appreciate mine. Till we meet again, stay cryptic, y'all. Peace.